How's everyone doing today? Welcome to week 10, or unit 10 of the course. For this unit, we're going to be looking at the Fed and its role in our economy. Okay? So we're going to go over a couple different things to focus on, but I want to go over some of the requirements. First, when we look at the requirements, it's very important to focus on your initial post. A lot of people are still missing questions on those. When you look at your initial post, you need to have an in-text citation and a reference in APA formatting to support your work. Also this week you'll see 2 assignments. Make sure for the assignment B that you're focused on APA formatting in your work. That's a key point, and that's going to be worth a lot of points. So APA formatting. Now for this week, you're going to be looking at the Fed, the role money plays, and the decisions that we have to make. You'll see that money's used as a medium of exchange, which means money's used in between to make purchases for goods and services. There's 3 main characteristics of money: means of exchange or medium of exchange, store of value, unit of account. Now when we look at money, you see it has a type of store of value, which means it holds the value that's on its note, and it doesn't fluctuate from that amount. When you look at a unit of account, it's looking at prices. Now the types of money that we deal with, we have fiat money and commodity money. Fiat money is money doesn't have really any value. That's the money we have in our pockets. The only reason it has any value is the government designates that it has value. Commodity money is a little bit different. That actually has value. And what I mean by having value is the amount that's on the note, or like gold, silver, orange juice, oranges, cotton, those are all commodity monies. And why they're examples of commodity monies are, it's a physical unit that we can buy or sell that establishes the role of money. Now, when we look at the overview of money, it's going to be divided into M1, M2, and M3. If you look at that little table that you have in your book, you'll notice that M1 is the most liquid. Liquidity is the ease at which things can be converted to money. So when you look at that, that is very liquid compared to most things. And the things that are in M1, currency, traveler's checks, and checking accounts, those are included in M1. M2 is a little bit different. M2 is focused on things that are not as liquid. And things that are not as liquid are looking at things like savings accounts. Those are not as liquid as M1. And the main reason they're not as liquid is you can't easily access those to bring about cash. Now, when we look at the Fed, you're going to notice the Fed is the banking system of the United States, which means the Fed makes decisions in our economy and the direction of our economy. They're very important to our economy because they influence a lot of economic decision making. And the Fed has 3 main policy tools that they can use to influence our economy: required reserve ratio, federal funds rate, or the discount rate, and open market operations. Those 3 main tools are things that they can use to utilize to help influence the direction of our economy. The 3 main goals that the Fed has available to them that they're looking at is full employment, price stability, and economic growth. And those are the 3 that we're going to focus on in the class. If you have any questions or you want me to review your work, just let me know. But I look forward to your effort this week.